Hello, welcome to Onsite. So today we'll be seeing how you can schedule your works in tasks for your projects. So let's go to the Onsite application first. So this is a home page where all the projects are displayed. So let me open one of my running project, that is Heritage Estate. So we'll go into the task section. So this is where you will schedule all the works for this project. So already I have scheduled the painting work. So let me add a new work. So I will click on add new task. So I will add the work name like this flooring work I'm scheduling. I will add the duration for the work, like 20 days is the duration. The work should start from 11th. The system will automatically take the end date. You can add the progress quantity further, like I'm taking this in square feet. So this is 2000 square feet work. Further, you can assign it to your supervisors or your site teams, and you can upload any kind of files you want to attach with that, and you can save this. So this is how you can schedule your all the works of that project inside task. Once the work is scheduled, your team can mark the progress on a daily basis. So let's say I'm marking progress for flooring work today. So I'll open flooring work, click on the add progress option at the bottom. Add the quantity. You have option to add the quantity in measurement basis, or you can add the quantity directly, like I'm mentioning 400 square feet is the work done today. Further, team can mark the material used for this work. So you have a vehicle symbol at the bottom. You will click there, click on the material. All the inventory, all the current stock of the project will open. So let's say cement was used. I will select cement. So 40 bags of cement were used. Further, any notes, photos, you can attach that and save it. So this is how you can mark the progress on a daily basis and mark the material used for that work on a daily basis. Further, they can communicate via chat, like they can delay due to rain. Like this, they can send messages to team and communicate inside the task itself. Further, to the team. Further, we can upload the photos of the work done today. So you will click on this gallery symbol at the bottom. You get three options. One is to upload any kind of files like PDF. Second option is to upload photos from the gallery. Third option is to upload live photos from the camera. So let me show you by uploading a live photo. So you will click on camera. So I have taken two photos. Just save it. So this is how you can upload live photo from the site. Live in the sense the photo will have the location, latitude, longitude, timestamp, date stamp. So this is how your team can update progress on a daily basis, mark the material used for that work, and if they want to communicate anything related to that work on that particular day, they can do that. Also, they can attach the photos of the work done. And further, you want to raise any to-dos. To-do is basically to raise any kind of issues or snacks. You can create to-dos from here. Click on to-do. So I'm creating a to-do for flooring work. So let's say check the wall plastering, and I will assign a due date for this to-do, like before 20th I want them to check this. I will further mention type, like I have created different types. You can create your own types. So this is a checking work. And repeated to do, no, it's not a repeated to do. So I will not select repeated to do option here. Then I will click on assignee. I will assign it to my supervisor. Further, any URL, any file you want to attach, you can do that and save this. Now your assigned person will complete this to do and update the to do from here. Once completed, they will mark this as complete. So this is how you can mark the progress of your work, and also you can raise to dos for your team. Further, this is done, you'll be able to see the progress. Total 19% progress has been done. Further, your team can download DPR, that is daily progress report, from the site tab. They will go to the site, they will click on this site tab, they will click on create DPR. So they have this option. Whichever option you don't want to include in the DPR, you can remove that. So I am including all of that. I'm on you can further change the date from here. You can customize the date. So I'm downloading the DPR of today. So I will click on download. So it will generate the DPR. So DPR is nothing but daily progress report. It will have all the activities recorded which has occurred in the site. So you can see the work summary. It is showing our task progress. On flooring we had marked 400 square foot. So out of 2000 square foot, this much work was done. Then we have the labor report. Then we have the material report, the closing stock, used, received, then the material request. Then we have the equipment details. Today the bulldozer has run for 7 hours. Then we have further the subcontractor work update. So subcontractor has done 400 square meter of work. Further we have the live site photos which which we have uploaded for our work. So this is how your team can generate DPR. So this DPR will have all the activities recorded of that particular day or of that particular time period which you select. So this single report will show you all the site activities. So this is how you can create task, and this is how you can team can share DPR on a daily basis. Thank you.